And they didn't steal anything because I had nothing worth stealing in there.
It's a sad life to live. You don't have anything worth stealing?
No, it's like one of the few times that I took all my stuff out of there randomly.
You actually have a lot of guitars that are worth a lot of money and they weren't in there that time. So
exactly.
Perspective, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah.
One day you're gonna wake up, be old as shit, and you're gonna regret the action you didn't take today. Please understand you get one life.
One life.
What legacy are you trying to leave?
Alright, your job is just to point that at me. So what are we doing today, Grant? Tell us what happened.
Someone broke into my window. Well, kind of. I came back from a fun night out and my window was shattered. And led me to believe that someone busted it out. For no apparent reason.
Getting real CSI on us right now.
Yeah. And they didn't steal anything because I had nothing worth stealing in there.
It's a sad life to live. You don't have anything worth stealing?
No, it's like one of the few times that I took all my stuff out of there randomly.
You actually have a lot of guitars that are worth a lot of money and they weren't in there that time. So
exactly.
Perspective, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah. So, Ricky is helping me change.
Yeah, we got Grant on the camera. Show yourself. All right,
come back, dude.
Enough of you. Yeah, so today we're going to LKQ. We're gonna get a back window for Grant's car. You know, we're working on cars when I got my O'Reilly shirt on. Fun fact, I believe I was 20 years old. I can't remember if it was the summer between junior and senior year or the summer. No, it was the summer after high school because I was dating Savage at the time. I worked at O'Reilly's just long enough to get my shirt with my name on it, and then I dipped out.
Why'd you quit?
Fun fact, I'm really good at quitting stuff. I'm really good at realizing what fucking sucks and I don't want to do. Because, I mean, it was an okay job, but I was fresh out of high school, wasn't going to college, and was like, if I stay here, I'm going to work here the rest of my life. So I just... And then I went to Mathis Brothers.
Nice.
And then after Mathis Brothers was... That was O&G, I think. I can't remember when I went to college, what job I had.
This is all pre-Herbalife?
Oh, yeah. This was 6 years ago.
Oh, wow.
So I had the Prelude at O'Reilly's. I had to have been 18. Fresh out of high school. I didn't graduate high school at 20. Yeah, but I'm really good at quitting stuff. I'm good at figuring out, you know, what's not going to get me where I want to go, and then just out. So from now on, when you see the O'Reilly shirt, we're gonna coin the phrase "Repairman Ricky." So when the O'Reilly shirt's on, we're doing something car related on the vlog.
Repairman Ricky. It's pretty good.
I'll just keep the shirt in the back seat of the truck. So anytime I need to bust it out and become Repairman Ricky, it's game over. I'll just keep a bag of tools back here. Bust out the camera. Oh my god. Let's do this. I'm excited. I'm taking your salvage yard virginity.
Oh my god.
These things are so much fun.
Really?
Yeah. Because it's like where cars go to die.
Where cars go?
Like it's a morgue for cars and we steal organs from them.
Oh, that's so dark.
Think about it.
It's so dark.
Repairman Rick to the rescue, baby.
I gotta pee real bad. That's on the vlog now. This is the weirdest day ever.
That was the import section we just passed.
Anything about cars, so I'm really glad you're here.
I'm not here.
Damn.
I'll tell you.
Those are domestics back there? Gage ditched me, didn't go to the gym today.
I love how you do that. Even I mess up sometimes. I know it's hard to believe. S5, someone like saved up to buy this. Alright, let's save us some time.
It's like mine.
I'm gonna go with this one. Oh shit.
Trying to get this window.
That is a 10. Swim eyeball!
Love my job.
You gotta find the clamps. So they have like these plastic clamps that...
If they had a spare tire, it's still
So
there.
now...
Do you have Phillips?
Does it have a screw?
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
I just missed it?
Oh, yeah, huh? Don't fall in the water. Proud of you, Grant. All right, we're done recording. We're gonna go back to the truck. So I didn't videotape this because it's hot and I didn't want to. Anyways, I wasn't gonna tell you all this, but it's the wrong glass, so it can't roll up or down. I guess we pulled the glass out of a manual window, and this is electric, and the mounting points are different. But he doesn't care, so.
It keeps shit out.
So everything you just watched with Grant and I is from 2 days ago. Just thought I'd let you know. It's been busy. Where's my cup?
So when's y'all's next big event where y'all go out of state and all?
What is it, next month? Yeah, July.
2 weeks?
Jeez, it is
3 weeks?
3 weeks.
How long you guys are gone?
Thursday through Monday.
5 weeks, that one.
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
I save a lot of time.
Oh, is the 11th. Monday's the 15th.
$60 for 300 cups. 10% off coupon. Use within 24 hours. Let's do this. So everything you just watched was from 2 days ago. It's now Friday. That was Wednesday when you watched Grant and I go to the salvage yard to get the window for his car. I'm now working on this beast, and I'm doing an oil change on that. It's a busy day today. Gage agreed to cover me at the club so I can get this stuff done. Otherwise, I'd be up till 2 in the morning trying to get all this done. So I'm not in the mood to show you guys how to do an oil change on a Touareg. So, cut. Done. So, update, we got the fuel pump installed, the fuel level sensor, all the hoses that go inside of it, the new electrical harness. Peeling the tape off of it now. We got the new brake line on. Tracy went to go get a battery for his key fob because we were going to try and start it, but we think that the battery in his key fob is dead. It's like a proximity sensor. So, we're going to figure that out. What up? You ever shot any motorcycles before?
I shot a couple of bikes for the India dealership last summer.
Oh, I remember you telling me that.
Will you park the bike like long ways?
Yep.